The hype is not your friend. It just wants to take your money. Hey folks, I'm Mike, and today let's talk about a subject that is near and dear to my heart, one that I have fallen prey to many times, and that is acting on the impulse of the hype. So, what is the hype? The hype is an attempt by marketing organizations to get you to act on an impulse that is not irrational. Things like fear of missing out, or the belief that something will make your life 1,000 times better, or the simple question of, what will this hurt if I buy this? Your money is a dwindling resource that is precious, and marketing organizations are trying to get you to part with it as quickly as possible. So let's talk about 4 tips that will help you avoid the hype and not get into it. Tip 1. Do not, under any circumstance, act on an impulse. You just watched an amazing YouTube video. You've watched some amazing YouTuber tell you how this thing is going to change your life, how it is going to be amazing and awesome and incredible. Take a night's rest before you buy it. Sleep on it. Ask yourself, will this really change my life? Do everything you can in that moment to not give in to the impulse to buy. Because it is that impulse that all of these marketing organizations are trying to push you towards. Now, the marketing is not evil, but it is trying to force you into a compromised decision. And recognizing and knowing that the impulse that you're feeling is a compromised situation is crucial to being able to fight against it. Number 2, be a skeptic. Ask yourself, do these claims add up? Is a 1 millimeter increase in stator size or stator width going to increase the efficiency and power of your drone so much that it will make you a grade A pilot? No, it won't. Is a 2207 better than a 2206 motor? Maybe. However, is it that much better that you've got to act on that thing right now without any other consideration? No, it's not. You need to be a skeptic of the claims that are coming out of these marketing organizations. Because now, they may not be wrong. A 2207 motor is probably better than a 2206 motor. However, is it worth parting with $100 to make you a better pilot? And I don't know that the answer is yes, but you should approach all of the claims from marketing organization with skepticism. It is that skepticism and the application of reason that will make you a smarter, savvier purchaser. Number 3, ask yourself, do you trust the manufacturer? Is the manufacturer a tried and true and tested organization? Now, if the answer is you don't know, it's time to wait. If the answer is no, they're not trusted, then don't buy the product. And if the answer is yes, they are trusted, then that is at least one hurdle that you've cleared, because if they have a track record of being trusted, then you will be able to perhaps trust them in the future. But that's not always the case. So once again, go back, don't buy on impulse, be a skeptic, and check whether or not you trust the manufacturer. Finally, number 4. Wait for someone else to take the plunge. Wait for someone else to tell you about it. Wait for someone else to do the review. There's guys like me that are on YouTube all over the place that are telling you in an unbiased manner, and it's very important that you question that bias, but in an unbiased manner, they're telling you how the product performs. And if you wait for someone else to tell you in an unbiased manner, you'll be better off in making your purchasing decision. So let's recap. Marketing organizations are designed to put you into a compromised state of mind that allows you to part with your hard-earned money. That is, in fact, what marketers are supposed to do. 4 things that you can do in order to avoid the marketing hype. Number 1, do not act on impulse. Impulse is not your friend. And that is exactly what the marketers want you to act on. Number 2, be a skeptic. Always be a skeptic. Question and reason about whether or not this thing that you're going to buy is going to change your life. Number 3, ask yourself if you trust the manufacturer, because if you don't, it's time to pass on this one. And number 4, let somebody else take the plunge. Wait for someone else to find out for you, to spend their hard-earned money to act on their impulse about whether or not this thing is really worth it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope that you found this to be useful. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and listen, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Have a happy 2019, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.